Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday the 13th, February 13th, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a good yesterday afternoon and evening. Stayed warm wherever you are. Here are, excuse me, yesterday's charts. Took five trades yesterday. We had that massive sell-off that happened about 10:30 on, and caught a really great trade in there after we got off right after we got off the session. But anyway, ended up with five trades plus 92, and yeah, that's it was just all sell off yesterday, and then sideways pretty much in the afternoon. Nothing really going on after that sell off finished. And then a little more sell off in the last hour of the session, but nothing really big, nothing compared to what this first one is. And this is really compressed, so it doesn't really show how big a sell-off that was from yesterday. So let's see where we are. Q closed at 692 cents yesterday. It's currently sitting at 607, about to go under, but just shy of a gap play. We'll keep an eye on that and see if it does actually get to a gap. But right now it is just shy of the low from yesterday, so there is no gap. Let's go ahead and move up. And let's head over to the option chain. We've already got 3,175,000 traded in pre-market volume, tremendous volume. And I've got to recenter my option chain because it has fallen off the page. Let's go here and here. There we go. Things have gotten expensive today, so we'll see. We'll get all this pre-market volume figured in, then we'll see what strikes we're going to be at. And like so. We don't have Keith this morning. Keith had an appointment this morning, so he's not in. I know there are no Fed announcements today or Fed people speaking today. So let's go back to our regular four-way and get this recentered. There we go. Like so. And like so. Bring that up. There we go. And let's make sure that you have 20 cents between each of your hash marks on each of these. And we do that so we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. It doesn't have to be 20 cents. It could be 10 cents, could be 50 cents. Just as long as you're using the same ones every day so that you're looking at the same size candles from day to day. Excuse me. We have less than a minute going. Price is rising a little bit, so we're not getting any closer to a gap play. I don't think we're going to have a gap play this morning. So we got 30 seconds till we get started. Let's make it a strong end of the week. You know, we've had just a couple of negative trades this weekend, have been able to overcome those trades. If we get out early on these trades that go negative, then it's much easier to get profitable for the day. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. Waiting for the broader indices to come in. There we go. We've got the Dow is down by 29, Nasdaq's down by 27, S&P is up by 2. So no great numbers there, mostly down. Dow is now down. Price is coming down. So market maker swinging price on that first minute pretty well. Price is broken through VWAPs coming down. Trying to anyway. And just a reminder, we generally don't trade at least the first 5 minutes of the session while we let the market maker try to find a direction. Unless it is just a huge breakout and we can't avoid it. Price coming back down. Price staying kind of close to VWAP here. Trying to climb a little bit, but getting pushed down. A lot of wick on the top side there. Got 6,400,000 already in the underlying. It's pretty good volume. You can see everything's well above 100,000. Price coming down. All right. So I'm going to be at the 602 on the put side. 602 on the put side. Just going to keep an eye on this. Price trying to come down here. Every time it pushes down, it pushes back up. So we may be in a period of consolidation right now. Keeping an eye on that 602 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter the 602. I went way. What? Oh, it did film me at 456. Wow. That was weird. I'm at 492. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here. Out at 498, 456 to 498. Let's see how far behind my charts are here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, I'm behind by 9 seconds on my charts.
Hey, Tim.
Hey, there he is. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Keith Frampton.
Any trades yet this morning?
Yeah, I just took a put trade off of that push down 2 minutes ago and went from 456 to 498.
Oh, great.
And gonna keep an eye on the 601 on the put side, maybe getting back into this. In fact, 601 on, excuse me, Yeah, I'm going to go to the 601. I know it's expensive.
Wow. Really is.
I'm going to put a pseudo supply zone up on the top of the first 5-minute candle. And we're getting a little low in the case. We're already down to minus 1.3.
I have minus 1.6.
Yeah, I'm behind by about 8 seconds on my charts.
You ever do that collecting garbage button? I don't know if that might help you.
Collecting garbage.
Yeah, you go up to the help tab and then click on system and then just hit collect garbage. It may or may not help. Sometimes it does for me.
Oh, well, let's see.
Every time I have that problem, that's what they always tell me to do. So,
Really?
yeah, I don't know if it actually works or not, but figured I'd let you know.
Well, thank you.
No problem.
I haven't heard of that one before.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, I tell my patients to diet and exercise, and that doesn't work for them either.
Well, that's what you get for offering a placebo, huh?
Right.
Got our 1 minute curling up. Getting a nice reversal here. Got Dow is down by 208 now. Nas down by 120. S&P down by 19.
Wow, the prices really are high today.
Yeah, they are.
I'm looking at the 497 on the call side.
Okay.
See what it does around VWAP here. I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on this.
Okay. Excuse me, 597.
Yes.
Okay.
And it passed me by. Come on.
Ooh,
Come on. I want to take further.
stand by on this 597.
I can't get it to take the order. Huh. Keeps jumping past me. Won't let me take it. That's a shame.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that was a disappointment. It wouldn't even take the order.
No, and that would have been a killer trade.
I know.
We can put a demand zone on the bottom here.
I should have done it, but I did it. I got 52 cents.
Oh, nice.
Great. Yeah, it just wouldn't take the order. Then when a couple times it did take it, it just wouldn't fill.
All right, both NAS and S&P have gone positive. But be careful, we're at the top of the range here.
There are no announcements at 10 today, so there may or may not be a pop. No bond auctions today. No Fed members speaking today.
Okay. We're already up to 12 million on the underlying. Great volume today. See if we're going to continue in this direction.
I'm going to try to get in on this.
Go to the 599 on the call side. Stand by. All right, I'm going to try to get in. And I got in 517. How did that happen?
I got in at 560. God golly.
Stand by to take some profit here.
Well, these prices are just wacko.
Yeah, they are wacko. All right, I'm going to take some profit here. Come on. Ah.
I got a terrible fill on that.
Yeah.
Wow. That's horrible. All right, I'm going to get out of this.
Yeah, me too. Ugh.
I'm out. Man, boy, that was a horrible one. The
Was.
prices were just, as the tick was going up, the prices were dropping.
Yeah. Yep. All All right, let's go back over to the put side to the 602. I'm going to enter this 602.
The bid and asks are just all over the place. They're just, it's nuts.
It is nuts. I wasn't able to get into that 602, so I canceled it.
Try that. Okay, I did get in at 464.
Okay.
Jeezy peasy, come on.
All right, I finally got in at 456. Stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit right here. What's it doing?
Just all over the place. Oh, come on. Oh, boy, 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 boy. Heck of a way to finish the week.
I know, I'm getting out of this. I
Yeah,
just got out of it.
I got out of it too. Oh my goodness.
All right. Going over to the 598. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let's just hold on here for a minute.
Yeah, just missed it getting out at a profit on that one when it way turned around.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. It just wouldn't fill.
Yeah. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. All right. Price coming back down. I'm going to go back to the put side, to the 603 on the put side. Actually, should have got into this earlier. May go back to the call side if this starts rising to the 597. See if this starts rising.
I think the cats are walking across the market makers' keyboards today.
Yeah, I know, right? We can move up this supply zone.
The heck is going on here? That's
All right, we're just less than 30 seconds away from the pop at the top. If we're going to have one.
There's the pop.
Okay. Price just moving in a real tight little range right now between the two zones. Dow is down by 32, Nas down by 62, S&P down by 3. We've got 16,706,000 already traded on the underlying. Great volume.
Well, it's just all over the place like popcorn today.
Yeah.
Well, Tim, I'm gonna have to probably leave in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Going to a funeral this morning. Um, and I will be out the next 2 weeks, everybody. I'm going to be traveling.
That's right.
So,
We're going to miss you.
yeah, I'm going to miss it too. And just a reminder, markets are closed on Monday for President's Day.
That's right. So we get a 3-day weekend.
One of the things that I should have been reminded, we don't have situations like today very often where just the not only does the price of the underlying being up and down a lot, but the spread and the wackiness of the bid and ask are really weird too. I
Yeah.
shouldn't have gotten in any trades yet today. Rarely does that happen, the second thing happen.
Yeah.
Even the first thing with just the underlying just all over the place doesn't happen that much.
No.
Unless it's a Fed day. This almost looks like a Fed day at 2 in the afternoon.
Yeah, it does. There's a tendency when you fall behind to want to trade more, but the rules haven't changed. So we just stay patient, wait for our trades to come to us.
Do you guys see like it looks kind of like it's forming like a wedge?
Mhm. See if we can break out from here. Now, I'm going to go over to the 599. Just keep an eye on the 599 on the call side in case this should take off. Stand by on this 599 on the call side. Hmm.
All right, Tim, I'm on my way. So you guys have a good couple weeks here,
All
and
right, buddy.
see you when I get back.
Okay, you have a good trip, and
All right.
let me know how it goes.
Yep, we'll do. All right, thanks.
All right.
Safe travels, Keith.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy, buddy.
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Keith Frampton has left the building.
Mm-hmm. It's crazy how the volume dropped off like a lot.
Yeah, pretty dramatically. And we can move up our supply zone. Duplicate that. I'm going to go over to the 603 on the put side. And it's going to immediately reverse. Hmm. Price movement's not really giving us any breakouts at this point. Going into a little consolidation here. Boy, price getting through VWAP, but popping right up after it does. Goes price back up. It's going to break through the supply zone. S&P's gone positive again. We got 20,468,000 traded on the underlying. Got just a couple of minutes below 100,000. I'm going to go over to the put side to the 605 on the put side, just anticipating a reversal here. We're at the top of the range. I just don't imagine it's going to go too much further in the call position or call direction, but could be wrong. Breaking out on the call side. All three broader indices have gone positive now. All right, let's head over to the call side. I'm going to go to the 600 on the call side. I'm going to enter this 600. And I'm in at 479. And I'm going to get out of this. I'm getting out of this. Small loss on that. Yeah, should have stayed in it. All right, let's go over. I'm going to go over to the 602 on the call side, 602. I'm going to enter the 602. In at 4:15. Come on, get up there. All right, stand by to get out of this. Come on, get up there. All right, stand by, get out of this. Let's go ahead and get out of this. I'm going to go over to the put side. I'm going over to the 606 on the put side. See if it bounces off of the supply zone. We've got a new supply zone we can put in. Yeah, see what price is going to do here. It's just in a little bit of flat consolidation. Price dropping through the minor zones. See if we're going to get a reversal here. Nope. Price still declining. And let's go over to the 603 on the put side. Stand by. Now, maybe getting a reversal here. I'm going to pop over to the call side to the 598 on the call side. One minute is curling up. Gotten through VWAP. Okay, I'm going to enter this. Let me cancel that. Let's try this again. 598 on the call side. I'm going to enter it. Try to anyway. And it's not billing me. I'm going to cancel that. That's 2 times. I may try one more time here. 598. Yeah, it keeps throwing it down there. Oh, that's it. I've tried 3 times. Hey guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm going back over to the 599 on the call side. 599 strike call. Just watch this. Got our 5 minute about to cross. I'm going to try getting into the 599, and I did this time, 475. Boy, just hitting these on the reversals every time.
Did you get filled on that last call, Tim?
I did.
Perfect.
Pardon me?
I said perfect,
Yeah.
just in time for it to bounce backwards.
Yep.
Here it comes back. You'll be all right.
It's coming back. Come on, get back up there. Well, all right, folks, it is 11 o'clock. We're going to go ahead and call it a session, a day, and a week. Of course, it is Friday the 13th. So it's not been the best of mornings, and I apologize. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually have to get going. So I'm just going to watch this for a few more minutes. Hopefully this will get positive. And then I got to get running for the day. So thank you for joining us this week. I'm glad you were here. Come back Monday. We'll do some more trading. So take care, everybody.